I don't know if anybody remembers back when I used to make these weird videos where I like eat food. Look at this bag of salad, and I would just like eat the food for the random people on the internet for no reason. Like I'm not even getting paid. I'm just doing it for some weird reason I don't understand. Like I know it's weird, but I don't know. And this is kind of Safeway Thai chili mango salad thing. Pretty good. I like them. Like relatively speaking, they're one of the better ones. I have not gotten listeria or any other foodborne illnesses as far as I know. So that's good. I used to be super afraid of eating like pre-made salads. But then I would eat like a salad from the place down the street, like a restaurant, like a takeout place where I know that their food safety is like so much worse than whatever Safeway is doing. Because I see them do it. I like this. Same people handling the food are probably also handling money and not washing their hands, not using gloves. Gloves don't really matter because when they use the gloves, they think that everything's clean, so they handle the money with the gloves on, and they also handle the food with the gloves on, and they're just like whatever. They don't care. It doesn't matter. Like people rarely get sick from things. They worry more because it's possible. It's very likely actually to get some kind of foodborne illness when people are handling money and other very dirty things, and then also food. Cross contamination between the meat and the raw vegetables and stuff happens all the time. I mean, this is how it goes. But ultimately, very few people actually die from that kind of stuff. They rarely even get sick because they're so dirty under normal circumstances that their immune system it's strong enough that it can handle what they put it through. Um, I try not to think about it, even though I think about it constantly. I try not to. Mm. I'm not sure if this is the best camera angle. Can't really see the food and my face and I don't remember how I used to do it. It's been so long. I'm pretty sure I didn't make the videos this long though. Like there's no real reason to do that. As far as price goes, this was I forgot that I had a fan on. Whole video is probably going to be completely inaudible because of that fan. But I already did it, and I can't like undo it. So, oh well. Oh yeah, as far as price goes, this was like $3.79 on sale. I don't know how much it is not on sale. Maybe four something. Not bad. I mean, for the amount of salad you get, this is like 11.25 ounces. I'd say this is almost as much as like, this might be more than a lot of places give you. Like, I'll give you an example. Like, Wendy's has really nice salads. It's probably more than Wendy's has in one of their salads. And in terms of taste, it's pretty good. I'll try not to curse. It's very difficult. I don't know how people do it. Oh well. Wendy's salad is about like $8 to $9, and place down the street is like $9 for a Greek salad. It's pretty good Greek salad, but I can't. I think the Greek salad's about the same size, but it does have like big chunks of feta cheese, which is expensive. Feta cheese is so insanely expensive nowadays. I mean, everything is, but like feta cheese in particular is very expensive. Um, like the amount of feta cheese they give you is probably worth more than this salad. I don't know how they do that. They must get like a really good deal on it in bulk. There's also so Spartans has the like a $9 Greek salad. Matthews, much closer place, but their salads are like $13 or something ridiculous like that. Last time I got one, it was so long ago that it only cost like $8. And by so long ago, I mean like 4 years, because that's how bad inflation is. A lot of places I used to think were expensive have actually gotten cheaper in comparison to the prices of just normal stuff at the grocery store. It's kind of funny. It's like sushi. Sushi is kind of mm, sushi has always been like 50 cents to $1 per piece of sushi. So if you got a roll that was like 5 pieces or 6 pieces, 6 pieces would be like $6. Although Harris Teeter has a $5 sushi thing on Fridays, which tomorrow's Friday, and they have like 10-piece spicy tuna roll, spicy salmon roll, California roll, even like some vegetarian. I mean, not just vegetarian, but like vegetable roll type thing. Like I think it might be sweet potato roll. I don't know. I never tried it because I prefer like raw fish. Kind of the point, but hmm, I don't know. It's gonna take me a while to eat this. I don't want to force myself, so that's about it. Bye.